There are all kinds of wonderful recipes out there, but for busy moms, simple, easy, and all natural is the best. This is one of those recipes. We're gonna start with 7 eggs. We're gonna whip the whites and add 7 teaspoons of sugar. Once sugar is nicely incorporated, we're gonna add 7 egg yolks. This is a very simple cake mix consisting of homegrown eggs, and in a minute I'll show you some other healthy ingredients we'll be adding to this. To keep a cake moist, I'm gonna add a cup of a homemade yogurt. Instead of yogurt, you guys can use kefir, which is available in most stores. So far we have 2 healthy ingredients, eggs and kefir or yogurt. Now we're gonna add half a cup of olive oil and some real vanilla. Next is 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. All that's left to do is a 1 1/4 cup of flour. You can actually add a little bit more, but I like my dough a little bit thinner, so I'm gonna keep the flour less versus adding a little bit more for texture. I'm using this really old pan. I'm gonna well oil it and flour it before adding the cake mix. We're going to oven on 350 for 10 minutes before we add fresh blueberries. The best part is you can use any fruit that's in season. So from cherries to peaches, strawberries, raspberries, anything would work. Bake it for about 35 to 40 minutes and let it cool before you cut it and serve it. Whenever berries are in season, I like to have this berry spread ready for pancakes, ice cream, or whatever other dessert we might have in a house. So this is a perfect addition and a perfect base for this particular cake. The only thing missing is a scoop of ice cream or a little bit of cream. But we're gonna have to do without it today, and I hope that you like this simple and easy recipe, and the best part of it is that it's natural and it's actually good for your kids. Thank you all so much for watching. My name is VLADA and I'm here to help you reconnect with your family and your community. You can find out more about my work by visiting VLADA'S or by simply subscribing to our channel.